So this is an alternative to Paperlike. This is for the iPad Air 4th gen. It is 1/4 of the cost of Paperlike, so it's around 10 bucks, which is really inexpensive. So it says right here, ultra clear finish, 9H hardness, 0 bubbles, and easy installation. So here is the screen protector. We have the installation accessories here, and that's pretty much it. All right, so that's the screen protector right here. Just take it out, very nice. So it has like a blue filter. That's not the actual screen protector, it's the peel off right here. So that's that. And then you have these little tabs here to press it down. Let's get into the accessories here. So this should be the alcohol prep pads and cleaning stuff. Yep, dang, he had a lot. All right, so right here you have a card, I guess like a squeegee. And then right here we have a microfiber cloth, a user manual, satisfactory card, as well as we replace, we refund, we exchange, customer support, and then very clear instructions. Look how easy that is. Only 9 steps. And then right here you have a wet and dry wipe. You have 4 wipes in total, some dust stickers, and some, I guess, all dust remove. Okay. And right here, lifetime warranty. Wow, pretty easy on how to install it. I have my iPad 4th gen here. So first, step 1 is to use these wet and dry wipes. So you can, they generously give you extra set in case you need that. Use this wet wipe here on the screen. Mainly get the corners because the corners are the dirtiest. And then you can either use the dry wipe here or you can use the microfiber cloth. I recommend using the dry wipe first and then the microfiber cloth. So let's go ahead and use that. Or you could use a more premium microfiber cloth if you have one. So we dry that off. Now let's go ahead and use the microfiber cloth. Then we'll go ahead and use the dust stickers before we apply it. Process. So get this right here. It has a non-sticky side and a sticky side, but just fold it in half. And then you can get any dust that's on your screen. There's quite a few dust particles here. Okay, wait, I almost installed it the wrong way. Okay, so there's a cutout right here at the top for the cameras. I almost installed it the wrong way. Right there should be good. Yeah, right there's good. Then just draw a line in the middle from top to bottom, and then you can peel this part off. And you're done. Very quick installation process. And obviously it does come with the card, which is, I guess, a squeegee. I guess it kind of works. Try to get as many air bubbles out as you can. If you can't get all of them out, you could just, it'll self-adhere on the screen eventually. But yeah, this card kind of makes scratches, but it'll be easy to clean. I guess that's what these extra wipes are for. Let's do another wipe down here. So far, this feels really good. I just need to test the screen quality, see if it's any good. Now the thing good about this is that you won't have any fingerprints on your device as frequent, so that means less cleaning of your device. And it'll just be a lot better. So yeah, now it's nice and clean. This feels really nice. It does actually feel like paper. Like the texture of it feels really good. So let's go ahead and, all right, so we have a video here. It's on an ad right now. Let me turn off this light. But this also should help with glare, and I can tell it actually does help a lot. Like on camera you can see glare because of the lens, but in real life you can't see any. Okay, I see a little bit of glare, but it's not as harsh as it would have been. Yeah, you're not really losing a whole lot of quality. It still looks really good. And then you got that perfect cutout for the actual camera. So yeah, you don't lose a lot of quality, and this feels amazing. Even without an Apple Pencil, you can use this. Feels amazing, very satisfying as well. For like $10, $11, I highly recommend this. Not even joking. You can see the resivity on that. So if you use a case or whatever, it'll help protect it a little bit. It's case friendly, obviously, so it leaves a little bit of edges just for the case users out there. But it definitely, it feels good. It's still responsive. Very, very nice. And then eventually, if you use an Apple Pencil, obviously it'll feel a lot better. I don't have an Apple Pencil personally. Not too sure if I'll update this video with an Apple Pencil or later in the future, you know. Eventually I will get an Apple Pencil, but I'm not going to get one right now. This does feel really good though. I know that for a fact. And if you do have an Apple Pencil, this is 100% worth it. This does not lose any screen quality at all, which is a big issue for matte screen protectors. I've tried one on an iPhone before. It makes your your expensive device look cheap. Like you can see the matte, like obviously it's not glossy anymore. You can see that clearly, but it doesn't lose a ton of actual quality, like screen resolution. You can see it pretty well. Like it's not blurry. You can see stuff clearly. Now the iPad resolution isn't even that good to begin with, but it still doesn't lose it at all, which is nice. So now when you're working, you can use an Apple Pencil. If you, by the way, if you guys want this case, I'll leave the link in the description. It's a really good budget case. You can put your Apple Pencil right here, and then it has a keyboard on the bottom right here, which actually it does work pretty well, surprisingly. It is magnetic, so you don't have to use it at all, or you can put it in here. It has 3 height adjustments right here, so you have 1, 2, and 3. I always keep it on the second one because that's where the keyboard fits perfectly, and it's just an amazing typing experience, and then a place to hold your Apple Pencil. And if you happen to draw, you can place it down and place your Apple Pencil in this hole right here. So you can quickly place it down if you're gonna be on a workstation, place it down real quick and then just do something and then come back, pick it up. Instead of having to put it right here. It does still have access to the charging port as well, right there. So you can actually charge your Apple Pencil too, not just store it. Really nice. So I really do like this glass screen protector. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description for it, and I'll see you in the next one.